Parrots, belonging to the order Psittaciformes, are renowned for their vibrant plumage, intelligent behavior, and distinctive ability to mimic sounds. With over 350 species, parrots are found in tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. Their strong, hooked bills are adapted for cracking seeds and nuts, which constitute a significant part of their diet. Additionally, many parrot species consume fruits, berries, and vegetation, showcasing a diverse and adaptable dietary range. Biologically, parrots are characterized by a zygodactyl foot arrangement, featuring 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backward. This foot structure provides a strong grip, aiding them in climbing and manipulating objects. Furthermore, parrots have a well-developed vocal organ called the syrinx, allowing them to produce a wide range of vocalizations, including intricate imitations of human speech and other environmental sounds. Behaviorally, parrots are highly social and exhibit strong bonds with their flock or mate. They engage in activities such as mutual preening, playing, and vocalizing to strengthen social ties. In the wild, many parrot species are known for their elaborate courtship displays, showcasing their vibrant plumage and performing aerial acrobatics. Parrots are also renowned for their problem-solving skills and ability to use tools, indicating a high level of intelligence. In captivity, the mimicry ability of parrots has made them popular as pets, although responsible ownership is crucial to meet their complex social and cognitive needs. Conservation efforts are vital for many parrot species, as habitat loss, illegal trade, and environmental degradation threaten their populations. Understanding the biology and behavior of parrots is essential for their welfare and the preservation of their natural habitats.